I've got to tell you. I want to tell you. I've got to tell you. Bop it up, bop it up, bop it up, bop it up. I want to tell you that you've got to let it.
Much and all the stuff in my head. It's a hassle in the morning to get up out of bed. I'm holding on to secrets that are too hard to see, and I'm thinking everybody is better than me. I try to keep doing what I think I gotta do. If I make a mistake, you're gonna think I'm a fool. I'm always back again to the point where I began. I'm afraid I need help, don't offer your hand. I know you know, they know me know. I don't know nothing, but I gotta keep bluffing. I'm thinking they're thinking you're thinking I'll drink from so confused that I think I wanna sing. It's so hard to talk when you're walking in chalk. It's so hard to see when you're pretending you're free. Don't know how to give, and I've had all I can take. Everybody's to blame when you can't play the game. You've been thinking I've been talking about me. I made it that way for a purpose, you see. Scatman's really only trying to get through to help you discover you've been talking about you. The things that hold me back are right here in my head. The saboteur can't do it, he has to go to bed. I wanna live a life today in spite of what I think. I think that my opinion should be thrown in the sink. I wanna do better, but I don't know how. But if I'm gonna start, I better start right now. I try to survive, and I gotta let you know. If I'm gonna live it all, I gotta let it go. I've got to tell you. I want to tell you. If I'm gonna live it all, I gotta let go.
Tell how we felt from the look on our faces. We were spinning in circles with the moon in our eyes. No room left to move in between you and I. We got where we were and we lost track of time. We sang to the wind. from the heavens, it was easy to tell. It was love from above that could save me from hell. She had fire in her soul, it was easy to see how the devil himself could be pulled out of me. There were drums in the air as she started to dance, and a soul in the room keeping time with her hands, and we sang.